got this full chicken from Nature Basket, neat and clean, full chicken. So let's go ahead and marinate this. So I'll move this aside, take this here, and this is chili paste. So this is about 2 spoonfuls, right? 1, 2. And ginger garlic paste. This is crushed all. So this is also about 2 spoonfuls. 1 and 2. I got this coriander powder. You can put it about a spoon. Coriander, done. And this is chili powder, Everest. So we'll put up about a spoonful. Done. And then I have chicken masala. So chicken masala, about a spoonful. And green chili sauce, CHING'S. I love this Chinese. So yeah, done. And okay, I can see this cooking vinegar. So this is vinegar oil. We're gonna put about a spoonful. So yeah, done. And let me put a little haldi masala. Yeah, not much. Okay, so a dark horse sauce, CHING'S. So let's put this one. One. So sauce, let me put 2 spoonfuls. 2. Okay. So salt, 1 spoonful. And slightly more, 1.5. So it seems good to go. So we'll go ahead and marinate this chicken. So now I need to keep this for about an hour, 45 minutes or so. So let's keep it in the fridge. So it's about an hour. I need to remove and see.